Hey Spooky Town, welcome back to my channel. Let's go psych it up. I'm gonna show you guys a mini haul of toys I got out of a coin machine thingy. The first one is one of those pop-it fidget toys things, and then it's an octopus. Awesome thing for $2 Canadian if you're curious on that. The middle one's a big one. I did not know. I didn't realize that when I bought it and played with it for a little bit. Huh. And it has a keychain holder thingy. Did not realize that. Let's open the other one. This is another one of those pop-it fidgets. And also, I've slowly going back to being on Twitch. Yesterday I finished a game called Tell Me Why. I mentioned these games on Wednesday's video, and I finished it. I finished Tell Me Why, and that took 7 hours and 49 minutes. Longest I've ever streamed on Twitch before. So that was pretty cool. So I'm getting back into doing Twitch streams. And these are those sticky thingies. I don't really. Oh, it's kind of broken. I don't know. I guess. I don't know. But there's that. Don't feel like taking them out of the packaging. That's this thing and sheet. I don't know. It's pink. So that's those. That's pretty cool. So I definitely will use the Fidget's toys when I'm making my series videos to help me stay on topic and focused. So that's that. So the other games I did mention on the video of Wednesday's video were Wasteland Remastered and Wasteland 2 and Wasteland 3, Telling Lies, and Wasteland Remastered. I know I'm repeating myself. Wasteland 2 and 3 and the Halo Cheese Collection. Goat Simulator, that's a fun game. I enjoyed that game. That was a good game that I played a little bit. I haven't played on stream yet, but I have played a little bit of. And it's a fun game. Even though it's an older game, but it is. And I have that super animal theme. And I'm pretty sure Mark Blair has played it on his YouTube and Twitch streams. So that's that. So I'm getting back. I'm finally slowly going back onto Twitch. My schedule will be all over the place till I can get myself back into doing Tuesdays and Thursdays streams. So they'll be periodically all over the place until I want to stick to my actual schedule on Twitch. So that's about it on that. So hit the like button, comment down below, and hit subscribe.